4 parallel dome roofs with semicircular cross sections and side covers were placed over the top of the inlet sump. Time of installation of VOCC cover, roof and associated structures at the inlet sump IS, the spent caustic branch line, 8 inches diameter in size, was found obstructing the route to the side wall of the 4th dome cover of inlet. As this line section was not in regular use, it was cut and removed as a temporary measure to facilitate installation of the VOCC cover and structures. 6 contract employees were deputed at the site for cutting of existing spent caustic line elbow, surface preparation, fit-up and welding of a flange on the existing spent caustic line to fix the fabricated line section.